Yes, good morning, Nana. Up to yesterday, we have discussed only about the dot product. Now I am going to discuss about some cross product, Nana. Cross product or vector product. Cross or vector product. Cross product or vector product, Nana. So, the definition of cross product or vector product I already given. I am not discussing about those things. Simply, the cross product of any two vectors means nothing but if the product of resultant of the product of any two vectors is again a vector, then that product is called cross product, Nana. So now let A bar and B bar be any two vectors. Let A bar and B bar be any two vectors. Then the cross product of these two nothing but A bar cross B bar, Nana, not A bar into B bar. A bar cross B bar. It is not A bar into B bar. It is A bar cross B bar. So that is equals to, suppose A bar is one vector, B bar is one vector, and angle between those two vectors is, let it be theta. Then A bar cross B bar is equals to A bar magnitude, B bar magnitude, and sine of angle between A bar comma B bar into n cap. Extra n cap is there, Nana. Yes, what I am saying, let it be A bar and B bar, any two vectors, they are making some angle theta. Angle between those two vectors is theta. Then A bar cross B bar is equals to magnitude of A bar, magnitude of B bar, sine of angle between A bar and B bar, and n cap, Nana. Is it okay? Sine of A bar comma B bar, angle between A bar and B bar, n cap. N cap is what, Nana? Cap. If the symbol cap is there, what we can say this is as? It is called as, simply, it is called as unit vector, Nana. It is called as unit vector. Normal unit vector. It is a unit vector. Unit vector magnitude is how much, Nana? The magnitude of the unit vector is equals to 1. But it shows simply it gives the direction. Its magnitude is equals to 1, but it has particular direction, Anna. So that's why we can call them as directional vectors. So A bar cross B bar is nothing but simply the cross product of any two vectors, and the cross product of any two vectors definitely you will get the result as a, yes, what is that, Nana? You will get again vector. So this is the magnitude. Magnitude of A bar, magnitude of B bar, sine of angle between A bar and B bar, and this is giving the direction of resultant of vector, resultant vector. Direction of resultant vector. This is magnitude. This is direction. So combinedly we can call them as simply it is a vector, Nana. Magnitude and a direction. Both, it has both magnitude and direction, Nana. That's why the resultant of this one, let it be C bar. This is C bar vector is actually magnitude of C bar is this thing, and direction of C bar is this one, Nana. So finally I got like that. Now see here, just I am writing this as in the compact form, general form. A bar cross B bar is equals to AB sine theta n cap. But always this is the first formula, first equation under this cross product, Nana. Now magnitude of A bar cross B bar is equals to, yes, already magnitude, already this is magnitude, already this is a magnitude, but this is a vector, Nana. N cap. N cap magnitude, the unit vector, it is a unit vector. The magnitude of the unit vector is how much, Nana? This must be equals to 1. So that's why AB sine theta into 1. So magnitude of A bar cross B bar is equals to AB sine theta. Magnitude of A bar cross B bar is equals to AB sin theta. Magnitude of A bar cross B bar is equals to AB sin theta. And A bar cross B bar is equals to simply AB sin theta. N cap will be there, Nana. N cap. This gives the direction of the resultant vector. Its magnitude always equals to 1 because it is a unit vector, Nana. Directional vector. So now its magnitude is equals to 1 and it is giving direction. How can you calculate the direction? Generally, suppose yes, there are two different methods. Here you can calculate the direction. See here, this is a vector A bar. This is a vector B bar, right? Suppose if I am like this, if I am moving like this, if I fold my fingers, then definitely my thumb will be in the perpendicular to the perpendicular plane, Nana. Both like this. See here, I am multiplying. Sorry, I am moving in this direction. In this direction, just from first vector to second vector, I am moving, Nana. From first vector to second vector, I am moving. Just I am folding my fingers. I am getting one. Yes, vector, Nana. Perpendicular vector. Perpendicular. These fingers along the direction of this my thumb. Along the direction of my thumb finger. Simply see here, Nana. Yes, again to find out the direction of a resultant vector. This is the resultant vector, Nana. Thumb. See here, this is the first vector. This is the second vector. I want to find the direction of the first vector, cross product of the first vector and second vector, Nana. Cross product of the first vector and second vector, Nana. So that's why my fingers, 4 fingers, I am placing in the direction of first vector, right? Just I am moving this towards the second vector, Nana. So while I am folding towards, I am moving this direction, then automatically my finger, thumb finger, definitely yes shows one particular direction. Yes, along this thumb finger direction, the resultant vector will be there. Other method is also there. That's the first equation. The second method is A bar is, suppose if it is given AX I cap plus AY J cap plus AZ K cap, Nana. B bar is equal to Bx I cap plus By J cap plus Bz K cap, Nana. Two vectors are given in the component form. If the two vectors are given in the component form, Nana, then what we have to do? At that time, simply A bar cross B bar is nothing but a yes determinant symbol, Nana. In mathematics, in the matrices, we have taken this one determinant symbol. We have to be placed first of all I cap, J cap, K cap, Nana. Just you must place like this: I cap, J cap, and K cap in the first row. Yes, in the second row, X component I under the I cap, below the I cap. Y component I am writing it here. Z component I am writing it here. The second vector, this is the first vector. In the second row, first vector, all the components I have written here. All the components of the first vector I have written in the second row. Now, yes, in the third row, second vector components of second vector Bx, By, Bz, Bx, By, Bz, I have written it here. Right? Now, that is equal to I cap. Yes, this is a method, Nana. This is the method. This is the method, Nana. Yes, sir. This is one method to calculate the A bar cross B bar. And this is another method. Calculation of A bar cross B bar. Right? For the calculation of A bar cross B bar, Nana. So, I cap. When you are doing like this, suppose just please cross these two. Right? Now remaining all, what is there, Nana? AY, AZ, BY, BZ, Nana. Next, you have to be right. This is a plus, this is minus, this is plus, Nana. So I am writing minus J cap. What is it here? Just I written here. I wrote that one. Right, Nana? Next, please cancel this column and cancel this row. Remaining are AX, AY, AZ, BX, BZ, Nana. Right? Is it clear? AX, AZ, BX, BZ, Nana. Now after that, I am writing just a plus K cap. Plus K cap. Right, Nana? Plus K cap. Just I am writing just in front. Plus is there. That's a plus K cap. Just remove this row and remove this column, Nana. What is there? AX, AY, BX, BY, Nana. Very good. Like that.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, I lost my signal. Will you explain once again?
Yes. Right, Nana. A bar is one vector. That is in the form of AX I cap plus AY j cap plus AZ k cap. B bar is another vector. BX I cap plus BY j cap plus BZ k cap, Nana. And these two vectors, I want to find out the cross product of these two vectors. To find the cross product of these two vectors, yes, there is one method. That is, A bar cross B bar is equal to, first of all, you have to write I cap, J cap, K cap. Right? Now, in the determinant. Next, this is the first row, in the first row. In the second row, you have to write components of these things. AX, AY, AZ, Nana. Components of first vector, AX, AY, AZ, Nana. And in the second vector, the components are BX, BY, BZ. Those are just, I wrote it here. Right, Nana? I wrote it here. Now, after that, first of all, you have to be, yes, I am simplifying this one, Nana. Up to here, it was the method. Now, from that, just I am calculating the vector, Nana, resultant vector. This I cap, I am writing it here. It is the plus always. It is a method, Nana. It is a plus, it is a minus, it is a plus. So plus I cap. What is it here? Just I have written it here. And I am deleting the row and column corresponding to this term. Corresponding to this element or corresponding to this term. I am deleting the row and column. Remaining are AY, AZ, BY, BZ, Nana. AY, AZ, BY, BZ, just written in the determinant only. Right? Now after that, J cap is there, Nana. So minus J cap. So I am deleting the row and deleting the column corresponding to this one. The remaining is AX, AZ, BX, BZ, Nana. And after that, just K cap plus K cap. Now I have deleted this row and deleted this column, Nana. So AX, AY, BX, BY, Nana. Like that, just I have written. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Right. Welcome, Nana. No problem. Like that, ask. Don't worry. Why are you getting some trouble? Ask me. You don't worry. Because if you lose these concepts, then you can't understand anything. The further discussion, you are getting some problems. You will face some trouble. Ask, no problem. Yes. But yes, here I cap is I am keeping like that. This is a determinant, Nana. In the matrices, there is a determinant. So for this, you can find multiplication of these two and the multiplication of these. So just AY BZ minus AZ BY, Nana. AY BZ minus AZ BY. Always you put minus here, Nana, in between those two terms. Multiplication of these two, one term. Multiplication of these two, another term. In between those two, you have to put minus. Minus J cap. AX, right, Nana? AX bz minus az bx nana. Ax bz minus az bx nana. Right? Next plus k cap ax by minus ax by minus ay bx nana. I cap ay bz minus az by minus j cap ax bz minus az bx nana. K cap ax by minus ay bx. I got this nana. This is a vector nana. Have you seen this one? I cap, j cap, j cap are there. Vector. You will get directly by solving this one. You will get directly both magnitude and direction. You need not worry about that because I cap. You are getting some number az bz minus ay bz minus az bz by. If you do, then definitely you will get the number nana. So number into I cap. So 2 I cap, 3 j cap minus 4 j cap. Like that you are getting nana. So that's why you are getting directly vector. By doing the cross product, by calculating cross product of any two vector in the component form, by using this method, you will get directly the vector nana result. Direction also, both magnitude and direction. But in this, you are not getting any direction nana. In this method, you are getting only magnitude. You are getting only in this method only you are getting magnitude nana. After you have to find some direction, right? So the solving method of these things I want to discuss now. If it is clear, then I will go for further discussion. Nana, is it clear?
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Sir.
Right. Yes. Shall I go for further discussion?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
I will send the notes now. Total notes. Don't worry. Already notes is there. Little bit notes is there. Mathematical tool. Under that mathematical tools, there is some discussion is there about vector. But again, and I am also sending some notes written by me. Right? Now this is the notes. This is two different methods to calculate the cross product and the star product of two vectors. Right? Right. Properties. There are some properties of cross product. Properties. There are some different properties of cross product. Yesterday we have seen the cross some lots of dot product of two vectors. So some laws, some properties. First property is, yes, you know very well about that. Yes, what is that, Nana? Which law it is?
Distributive law.
Distributive law. Distributive.
Commutative, associative.
Law. Associative law.
Commutative,
Distributive law. Commutative law.
associative law.
And associative law. Distributive law, commutative law, associative law. There are two different laws. Distributive law. I told you already. Yes, some
A into B plus C equals to AB into AC.
A into B
B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C.
A's. It is a general case now. You are saying general law. In the dot product, can anyone say? Can you say Nana? In the dot product, A dot, A bar dot, A bar dot, B bar plus C
B
bar.
bar plus C bar is equal
C
to
bar is equal to A
A
bar
dot
dot B bar plus
plus A bar dot C bar.
C bar. That's it. In cross product, A bar cross B bar plus C bar is equal to
Cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar.
right.
B bar.
Example, I am giving one example. Just keep like that. Suppose let A bar is equal to, if A bar is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap plus K cap. B bar is equal to I cap minus 2J cap plus 4K cap. Right? Two vectors are there. Right? Now I want to find A bar cross B bar. Yes? Can anyone say I cap, J cap, K cap? 2, 3, 1. Nothing is there, Nana. Into 1. Here also. What is that, Nana?
1.
Minus 2, 4.
Minus 2, 4.
4.
Now I cap. I am deleting this row and column. Remaining is 3, 1, minus 2, 4. Minus J cap, Nana. Then I am deleting this row and column. Then 2, 1, 1, 4.
2, 1.
4.
1, 4. Plus K cap. Then tell me, Nana.
2, 3, minus
2, 3, 1,
minus 2.
2, 1.
my,
1.
minus 2, Nana. Then what you have to do? I cap. 3 into 4. How much, Nana?
12.
12. Minus of minus 2 into 1. Minus 2. Minus of minus 2. Plus 2. Right, Nana?
Plus.
Minus J cap. Then 2 into 4. 8, Nana. 8.
8.
1 into 1. Minus 1 into 1. 1. Right, Nana. K
Yes.
cap. Minus 4. Minus 3, Nana.
Minus
So I cap 12 plus 2, 14. Minus J cap 7. Plus K cap minus 7. I am writing this as a vector. Here I am writing 14 I cap minus 7 J cap minus 7 K cap. Resultant of cross product of these two vectors. I got this one. This is the method. Right? Right, Nana? This is the method.
Sir.
Right, now see here, and the C bar vector, let it be some C bar vector also I am taking, Nana. This is the general example. How to find the A bar cross B bar by using this method, just I have given in the example. Given as example A bar like that, by explaining this example, just I given, Nana. Right? Now, yes, C bar vector also I am taking, Nana. What is that? Suppose I cap plus J cap plus K cap, Nana. 3 vectors are there. A bar vector is there, A bar vector is there, C bar vector is there. So among those 3 vectors, simply A bar cross B bar plus C bar is the LHS, Nana. LHS part. I am finding the LHS part. B bar plus C bar is how much, Nana? You can say directly. Yes, B bar plus C bar. B bar is here. C bar is here. B bar plus C bar is how much, Nana? I cap plus I cap. 2I cap. A bar is what, Nana? A bar cross. First of all, I want to find the B bar plus C bar, Nana. LHS I am finding. Just for this purpose only I am giving the example. It is general example I given. Now I am going to discuss about the resultant of A bar cross B bar. I have written it here now. Just to keep like that. Now, if A bar is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap plus K cap, B bar is equal to I cap minus 2J cap plus 4K cap, and C bar is equals to I cap plus J cap plus K cap, Nana. They given. Just I am checking this law, Nana. Yes, A bar LHS I am taking first of all. A bar cross B bar plus C bar, Nana. A bar I am writing 2I cap. Just I am keeping like that only. First of all I am finding B bar plus C bar, Nana. B bar plus C bar is how much? B bar is this one, C bar is this one. B bar plus C bar. I cap plus I cap. 2I cap.
2I cap.
Minus 2J cap plus I cap.
Minus
J cap.
J cap.
Minus J cap. Next
2K
4K cap plus 4K
Five.
cap plus K cap. 5K cap.
5.
Right? Just a B bar plus C bar I got, Nana. A bar already is there. Just I am writing I cap, J cap, K cap, Nana. Yes, A bar, first vector. This is the second vector, this is the first vector, Nana. This is second vector. Here, second vector. This is the first vector. Now I am finding the cross product of these two vectors, Nana. In the first vector, component 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1, Nana. In the second vector, 2 minus 1, 5, Nana. 2 minus 1, 5. Is it okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then I cap, Nana, positive. Yes, I am deleting this row and column. Then I cap.
3, 1.
3 into, directly I am doing, Nana, because we did one problem. 3 into 5, 15.
15.
Minus 1 into 1.
Plus 1. Plus 1.
1. Right? Next, after that, minus J cap, Nana. I am deleting this column and this row, Nana. Then 2 into 5.
10.
10. Then 2 into 1.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Nana.
Minus 2.
Right, very good. Plus K cap. Then 2 into minus 1.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2 into, yes, minus 6, Nana. Then 15 plus 1. 16 I cap. Minus 8 J cap. Minus 8 J cap.
8 K cap.
16 I cap. Minus 18 J cap. Minus 8 J cap. Minus 8 J cap, Nana. Yes, just this is what, Nana? LHS. A bar cross B bar plus C bar, Nana. I got this one. This is also I am writing it here, Nana. Yes, A bar LHS. I got this one, Nana. LHS. A bar cross B bar plus C bar is equal to 16 I cap minus 8 J cap minus 8 K cap. I got. Now just I am having this one. Now I am going to discuss. Yes, I am going to calculate RHS part. RHS part. Looking like this one, Nana. So this is getting A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar, right? Already A bar cross B bar I have calculated, Nana, at here from these two vectors. I am not going to calculate again. Now then A bar cross C bar I am calculating, Nana. In the RHS, what is there, Nana? A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. A bar cross B bar I have calculated this one. Now I want to calculate A bar cross C bar. A bar cross C bar. I cap, J cap, K cap, Nana. Yes, tell me. A. 2, 3, 1, Nana. 2, 3, 1. C. Tell me, Nana. C.
1, 1, 1.
Right. Very good, Nana. Then directly I am doing, Nana, I cap. Yes, this is cancelling. 3 into 1, 3. 1 into 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2, Nana. 2, Nana. 2. Minus J cap. Minus, this is minus second one. I am deleting
2
this
minus
one, this
1.
one. 2 minus 1, Nana. 1. Next plus K cap.
2 minus
Then
3.
what is? Yes, 2 minus
2 minus 3.
2 minus 3 minus 1. No. Minus 1. 2 minus 3 minus 1. So finally I got 2I cap.
2I cap minus
J cap
J cap plus minus K cap.
minus k cap. Yes, I got a bar cross b bar, Nana. A bar cross b bar is how much? 14 I cap minus 7j cap minus 7k cap, Nana. Next, I got a bar cross plus nothing, but I am writing like this, Nana. Yes, sir. 2 I cap, right? Minus j cap minus k cap, Nana. I am adding those two. 16 I cap minus 8 j cap minus 8 k cap, Nana. This is RHS. Yes, LHS is where, Nana? Yes, LHS is also 16 I cap minus 8 j cap minus 8 k cap. So RHS is this one, Nana. Like that, you have to be take it once. Yes, a bar cross b bar plus c bar is equal to a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar. Now, this is the distributive law. Right? This is distributive law in general mathematics. This is distributive law in dot product. This is distributive law in
Cross product.
very good. That's it. But I want today's our topic is cross product. That's why a bar cross b bar plus c bar is equal to a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar. This is the distributive law. This is the distributive law. Next, second one is commutative law. Commutative law, Nana. Commutative law is nothing but simply, yes, in general, commutative law is what, Nana? AB is equal to BA. Right, Nana? Commutative law. In general, it is AB. In general mathematics, AB is equals to BA. Now, Nana, yes, in the dot product, A bar dot B bar is equal to B bar dot A bar, Nana. A bar dot B bar is equal to B bar dot A bar. In cross product, in vector product, B bar cross A bar. If A bar cross B bar is equal to B bar cross A bar, then cross product of two vectors is obeying the commutative law. It is obeying the commutative law, but it is not obeying, Nana. You can check. A bar cross B bar is there, Nana. A bar cross B bar is equal to 14 I cap minus 7 j cap minus 7 k cap, Nana. Those two vectors only I am calculating B bar cross A bar here, Nana. B bar cross A bar is equal to I cap, J cap, K cap, Nana. Yes, B bar. First you have to write first vector, Nana. In this calculation, first vector is what? B bar, Nana. B bar is nothing but this one, Nana. Yes, 1 minus 2, 4. Second vector, A bar, Nana. 2, 3, 1, Nana. Then I cap. Yes, tell me, minus 2 into 1. Minus 2. 3 into 4, 12. Minus 2, minus 12. Minus 2, minus half, minus 12. Wait, Nana. Minus 2, minus 12. So it is minus 14, Nana. You are getting. Now suppose if you, yes, minus j cap, then this is 1 into 1, 1. 1 minus 8, minus 7, Nana. Minus 7 plus k cap. K cap is how much, Nana? 1 into 3. 3 minus, already minus is there, Nana. Minus minus plus. So 3 plus 4, 7, Nana. I got minus 14 I cap minus plus 7 j cap plus 7 k cap, Nana. Yes, here A bar plus B bar is how much, Nana? 14 I cap minus 7 j cap minus 7 k cap, Nana. 14 I cap minus 7 j cap minus 7 k cap. But in this B bar plus A bar is how much, Nana? Minus 14 I cap plus 7 j cap plus 7 k cap, Nana. I am taking this as I am taking common. Minus I am taking common, Nana. 14 I cap minus 7 j cap minus 7 j cap. Yes, minus is there. And minus is equal to A bar cross B bar. What I have taken? B bar cross A bar. What I got? Minus A bar cross B bar. So it is not obeying the commutative law. Very important, Nana. Yes, distributive law is as usual in both dot product and cross product, but commutative law is not obeying. So commutative law is not obeying. Always A bar cross B bar is equal to minus B bar cross A bar. A bar cross B bar is equal to minus B bar cross A bar, or B bar cross A bar is equal to minus A bar cross B bar. Right, Nana? Don't do like that, because A into B into B into A, no problem. If you write A into B, B into A, no problem. There is no problem now. If you are writing A plus B, B plus A, no problem. But A minus B, B minus A, there is a problem now. Right? Here also same, similar to that one. Then A plus B, B plus A, A plus B, B plus A, both are same. A minus B, B minus A, not same. And here distributive law is same for all, but the commutative law is different for some scale vector product. So A bar cross B bar is equal to minus of B bar cross A bar, or B bar cross A bar is equal to minus of A bar cross B bar. This is the law of cross product or vector product. Associative law. Yes, associative law. What is associative law? Can anyone say? Associative law. Can anyone say no? Associative law. Associative law.
A into B into C is not equals to A into B into C.
Not equal.
Equals to.
Equal. In general, A B into C. In general method. Right, Nana? Dot product A bar dot B bar dot C bar is equals to A bar dot B bar dot C bar. Yes, it is obeying. But in the next thing, what is there, Nana? After this, cross product. In the cross product, A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar cross C bar. Is it correct or not? Is it obeying? Generally, yes. In the dot product, it follows the associative law. Now, in cross product, A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar cross C bar. It is following. You can check, Nana. These vectors A bar, B bar, C bar. Take these three vectors. First of all, you find LHS, and next you find RHS. Those will be equal. Don't worry. Right? Now, so I will send some problems based on these concepts also to go through those problems, and tomorrow I will continue the class.